All right. Remember, I was telling you about Yoga Burn. Okay, I put Yoga Burn challenge in here, and we typed it off inside Google Trends. Is where we at. This is what I'm on, and so what we got here is a graph, and so it's pretty much been telling you on how that specific product is doing. Like I said, this is this demo. This for this demo. This is just a demo setting. I don't recommend that you actually promote this product. I'm not saying that it's a good product. I'm not saying it's a bad product. But with that being said, guys, I just want to go in here and just show you a brief thing on what to do and how to use the specific tools that's out there given to you. And Google Trends is a free tool to use. There's no monthly fees, no nothing like that. It's a free tool to use. Just go in type in Google Trends if you actually have a Google account, so it will be free to you. Absolutely. I mean, you wouldn't have no problem to set up a Google account. I advise you to. I suggest that you do because there's a lot of tools that has to offer that's actually free. But with that being said, now you get a pretty much glimpse on pretty much where that product is actually making the most sales at. See Ohio, and you just hover over and it just tells you pretty much where that specific product is trending. See, so we already know Wisconsin is like 100%. So it's quite a few people that's actually that product is trending in Wisconsin pretty well. That's probably a lot of it. It's been saturated, guys, but I wouldn't probably go within that range. Maybe a few people in Texas. Maybe you can trend it. You can outsource your competition within Texas and sell that product. Same way with Florida and Georgia. But with that being said, you pretty much get an idea on what I'm talking about here when you use Google Trends. I mean, you can't go wrong. And this product's been doing pretty well since the past 12 months. And, you can change up you can actually change this up if you like. You can go from the past 4 hours and you'll get a different graph and you'll get a different outlook of everything. And so, it just gives you an idea how that product is serving and how many people is actually image search. You can get news search, Google Shopping, YouTube search, and it's pretty much give you an idea on where that product is being searched at. So, like, let's just say, for instance, I'm gonna click on one. Let's go to Google YouTube search to just look on here and see what the graphics they give us for it. And it's been doing pretty well. Look at it, and then it drops back off. So it's pretty been somebody whoever been promoting this, they've been doing pretty well on Google. I mean on YouTube with it. So you can't go wrong with that, guys. Uh, but we already know what who we really targeting with this is women. So it's a lot of women that's actually looking for this specific product. But with that being said, okay, now we're gonna get off of Google Trends, exit off of here. So we pretty much got an idea. I might just leave this open so I might grab some stuff from there for us my marketing materials. So where far as like what I was gonna say is probably like let's say if I was if I was wanted to like find out certain keywords, I'll go in there and probably look up some keywords that I can use for that specific product and outsource, like I say, to outsource my competition. But let's go right up here and look at Yoga Burn Challenge. Let's look at the actually a sales page. This is actually the sales page what people that you're gonna take them to. Okay, what I recommend, guys, that you don't never ever ever take them to the sales page immediately. You want to have a lead magnet in place. I'm gonna show you how to do that also with inside the next video. Uh, but in this segment right now, what we're gonna do some more details and some more. We're gonna use some of the stuff that they have here on their website. Correct?